Okay, so I have two turtles. One is a baby. It's like, I don't know, 3 weeks, a month old. I don't even know, because I bought it. Anyway, one's, old one. It's like about 8 inches long by now. Should be. But, here's the skateboard. Hectic. Ooh, ooh, the skateboard. The skateboard. The skateboard. Hectic. Ooh, ooh. Anyway, skateboard. About it. Use magical stuff. Use one of the magical. Oh. Oh. Anyway, Christmas here. Oh, sweet. Look at that. Anyway, yeah. So that's about it. We'll see you guys later. That video. That was a hint at what the video is about. Oh yeah. By the way, we might add stuff next. Oh yeah, that turtle's actually real. That baby one. I forgot to say. It's actually a turtle. It's not a toy, but the problem is he was so scared he didn't move at all, and you'll see what we mean when you see the video. Anyway, see you guys later. Stop. Oh wait, we have to do this. We have to have all our videos.